Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the show. Today we're doing the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Maker. We've done one of these before, but Copper Chef just came out with their own. I saw it on QVC. It looked cool. You can poach eggs, you can hard boil, you can soft boil, and they should give you a measuring cup to tell you how much and how long to cook it for. Are you guys ready? Let's try it out. Let's see if it's worth it. Like I said, you can hard boil them, you can poach them, you can even make an omelet in this. The other one we did, you couldn't make an omelet. So that's something new. So we'll be trying that out right now. Okay, here's the part that heats up. Here's your poached egg tray. That's your omelet tray. This is where all the eggs go when you're hard boiling or soft boiling. There's your water measurements. That's how much we need to make, is it hard boiled? We're doing hard boiled, right? Yep. 14. It is 75 milliliters. So we're going to pour that in here. You're going to take the small end of the egg and gently poke a hole in the bottom like that. Okay, and then make sure the hole, go ahead. Make sure the hole's pointing upward. You don't want it upside down so it leaks out. You want to gently put it in there. Once again, let me show you how. Ready? You're going to poke it. It's got a little hole. Make sure the hole is upward on the tray. Okay, we have loaded up with eggs. We're putting the lid on it right now. There we go. Got our water already in at the bottom. Now we're going to plug it in. And there should be some sort of indicator light that tells us when it's done. 18 to 23 minutes. Now, I don't know if you can see, but there's already fog and condensation collecting inside as it's heating up. It happened within the first minute. So this thing's working just properly. Okay, if you notice, the front light there that was on is now off. When it's done cooking, it pops. So it's definitely a safety precaution. So let's take a look at it. Oh, well, that was stupid. Okay. So if you touch the lid, make sure you got a glove. Let me go get a glove. All right, here we go. I can't grab it. Now I can't grab the lid. No, don't. You need a towel. Oh. Okay, there was my wife showing me up again. Thank you, honey. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. Perfect hard-boiled egg right there, baby. This machine is off right now. So put everything together first. I'm putting the water in for the omelet that he gave me. There's a line that it says omelet. Okay. We're going to put the tray over the water. Even though it's the one that held the hard-boiled eggs, that's to keep the other tray up. We're going to take this tray, give it a quick little spritz, so that everything stays.
Smooth it out?
Nope, I don't want it smooth out. Leave it. All right. Then we're going to take the egg and pour it in. There you go. Got your 2 eggs in. Now we'll do a little sausage. Cover it up. And we should have an omelet in no time. So now let's turn it on. All right, let's open the lid carefully away from us so we don't burn ourselves like I did the first time. I'll set this down. I always unplug the machine. That is a good habit to get into. And I notice there's a little bit of steam, some water collecting up on top. You can take a napkin, and we're going to do that right now. Take a paper towel and just dab it really softly. Thank you. Careful. This is very hot stuff. This is what I did when I steamed the cheesecake. I just gently took the water off it. All right. Let's see if we can pick this up without burning myself. Yeah, that's pretty hot. There it is. Look at that. It's got sausage inside, perfectly cooked. All right, let's cut into this and take a look. Look at this, sausage inside, fluffy, fluffy. My omelets in the pan don't come out that good. You can make omelets, you can poach, you can hard boil and soft boil in the perfect egg maker by Copper Chef. Well, there you go, guys. It's a big success, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care.